what's up? It is your girl, Kellie Nicole, and I am here to show you how I made these cute little teacher's gifts. We have two different kinds, and I'm going to show you just how to do both of them today. First thing I am doing is I am laying out my text. I am doing it inside of Photoshop. Photoshop is my go-to because I am a photographer and you will see me work inside of Photoshop a lot. Sometimes it takes a while for me to pick the perfect font for myself. I just want them to go together if I choose to use two different ones. And out of any project that I do, probably finding the right font takes me the longest. Sometimes I really don't know what I'm going for, but once I see it, I'm like, yeah, that's what I wanted. I saved it as a PNG because later I'm going to bring it into another program. I have one more. I have to write the teacher's name. I'm just trying to decide which font I like best. I chose this one. I'm going to save this into a PNG as well. I'm going to pull it over into my Cricut. And that's where I do my cutting. I'm going to cut out some vinyl, some permanent HTV. I measured both of my shadow boxes to see just how big I wanted my text. Okay, so here we go. This was kind of hard to come out. I don't really think it was meant to come out because it had like this cute little heart on the inside of it. But, you know, as a crafter, we take things apart and do what we have to do with them. I just thought this was the perfect little size box. I didn't see any shadow boxes this size inside of the Kraft store. And so when I found this one, and they only had one, I would have bought probably 4 or 5 or 6 of them. But they only had one, so I bought the one. And what I'm doing here is I Googled a piece of notebook paper. I saved it as a PNG on my desktop. I brought it into my Photoshop and I printed it out so I can make this cute little template by going around and cutting it out with the X-Acto knife. If you do this, make sure you be really, really careful with the X-Acto knife. This is on sticker paper. You could use any kind of paper, but I would have to glue it on and I didn't want to, so I decided to use sticker paper because it would be easier for me. And it's just printable sticker paper. I'm just lining it up. I'm going to press it on, smooth it out. I'm going to give this a quick wipe. I have these little erasers, just a little pack. I bought a couple packs. I didn't know how many I was going to use, but I just want to use one pack. Let's put this back together. It was really hard to press these down, but I got it. It's already looking really cute. Okay, let's add the words. I did put some transfer paper on. I'm going to use my scraper to press it just to make sure the words are stuck. Unstick, unstick. Now I'm going to place it right in the center. I'm going to get my little scraper tool. Scrape, scrape, scrape. Let's remove this transfer sheet. Slow and steady. I love how the erasers just move around and they're loose inside of there. It's super cute. I loved how it turned out. Now let's go to box number 2. So this shadow box is 8 by 10. It was much easier to take apart. I'm going to open it up and remove everything from inside. I realized that I needed a back. So I went and left and I came back with an 8 by 10 piece of cardstock, glittered cardstock that I cut out. It's my background. You can choose any color you want. The square around it is cardboard and it was inside of the shadow box, and that is needed. So you have to use that part to put it here so you'll know exactly where to line your pencils up. Okay, so I'm putting some glue, which is hot glue. I realized that it was stringing and I was going to have to pull strings off. I pressed it down and I realized quickly that I did not want to do that anymore. I decided to put the glue line on the paper and then attach the colored pencil. That was much easier. I just hold it for a second or two afterwards just to make sure it's good and stuck. So all you're doing now is repeating the process. You may notice that my colored pencils are all different sizes. I did buy an electric sharpener and I just sharpened them at different lengths. I thought it would look, much cooler like that. I also made sure that the name brand of the colored pencils was not showing. I turned it down to the bottom where the paper is because I didn't want any words showing. So I'm going to speed this little process up. We're just doing the same thing over and over again. Line of glue, pencil, line of glue, and a pencil. And the second, you're going to see me make a mistake of putting the glue a little bit taller than my pencil, and I had to remove it. So just make sure that when you're putting your glue down that you kind of keep it kind of lower from the bottom, because I really didn't know how long my colored pencils were going to be as I was putting the glue there. And you're going to see me remove the glue as well. Which the glue was pretty easy to remove, but me trying not to break my pencil lid. That was the part that was a little bit hard. I had to go in with an X-Acto knife and some tweezers. It was like a little surgery. Okay, let's continue on. I'm just repeating my pattern over again right now. Me still removing a little bit of glue. Press, press. Okay, let's put it back together. I had a little bit more glue on the side. Trying to make sure everything fits back in. Uh-oh, I flipped it over and realized that I had a little piece of glue to fall down, like a little piece of debris. And so I took it back apart. To clean my glass. So make sure when you dump it over, you kind of like pat it lightly. So if anything is on there, it falls off before you put it back on your glass. Or you'll have to take it apart 2 times like I did. So I cleaned the glass really quick. I put it all back together. Let's put the back cover back on. Let's look. No debris. Let's close. This project was really quick and easy. It did not take long at all. I know you guys will enjoy it as much as I did, and I know that the teachers I made this for will absolutely love them and cherish them. Okay, let's put her name on. Scrape. I didn't want to put it exactly in the center. I kind of wanted to bring it down a little bit to be like in the center of the pencils instead of the center of the frame. I actually loved how it came out. I think it's so super cute. And I had fun while I was making it. I really, really, really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you comment. I hope you like. I hope you share it. And I hope you subscribe. Because I'm coming back and we're going to have lots of fun.